Ooh. What do we have here then, eh?
Nice.
It's the new Tiger Sport 800. The brand new one just announced this week. And it's sitting here in the foyer of the cafe at Triumph. And I do think...
Not sure how long for.
I do think it looks a really great bike. Just for size, just nip round the other side of it there, Carol. We can't sit on it, and please don't sit on sign. I think...
It doesn't look too high, I think I'll be
Yeah,
able
the
to
seat
top
height's
that.
about the same as your street triple, I think.
It's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look too massive, does it?
Competitively priced. It's got winglets.
Yeah. Just see how much they would deflect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Screen height's easily adjustable by hand. I think it's got Michelin Road 5s or 6s on. Can you see whether the 5s or 6s? Michelin Road 5s. Very, very good tyre. Panniers fit on a nice system look,
Yeah.
just into frame rails
They
under
look
there.
like they're big enough to get a helmet in each side as
Very,
well, aren't
very
they?
similar systems to Kawasaki's
Yeah.
Versys panniers. They look
It's
very...
quite good that the exhaust is underneath so it doesn't cut out any space in the panniers for the exhaust.
Well, it's got a bigger exhaust than the 660,
Yeah.
which is, the 660's got a stubby exhaust on down here. It's got the mounting there for a centre stand.
Quick shifter.
Yeah, quick shifter. Right, the graphics.
Yeah, I do. Like the colour. All
Yeah.
good.
Hey, it's got little things there to try and stop some of the dirt that comes
Yeah.
up. That's your complaint on your bike, that
Well,
is.
that's why I've got a
The
massive
dirt
leak.
spraying up out the back. So they've only just bought it out from round the back.
A lot of interest apparently.
Lots of interest.
What sort of display has it got?
It's got quite the basic one off there. I think that's the
I don't
same as
mind
on the
that, though, 'cause
660.
it's got everything you need.
I think it's got
without it
everything
being
you
silly,
need, yeah.
hasn't it?
Yeah. I actually think it's quite a good looking bike, don't you?
I think it is, yeah.
It's a new 800cc engine which combines parts from several of the different engines, I think, but 800cc is designed to give linear power, lower down torque for touring.
How much is it, do you think?
I think I'll put it up on the screen. I think it's got everything you'd need to go touring. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I think they're going to sell lots of them.
Yeah, it looks a very useful bike, that.
Very, very useful. If you do want to sit on it, you'll get a chance at Motorcycle Live at the NEC in November. Anyway, that was a quick video for you from Triumph. Catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.